early spring perennials. We have a bunch. This little flower almost looks like a firework, the way it's kind of coming up. Tiarella foam flower. They bloom off and on most of the summer, likes the shade, deer resistant, bunny resistant, perfect. So we have a lot of great color early spring with perennials, and it can just come with the foliage being colorful, and some will flower. So I just wanted to mention spring is exciting, lots of color and blooms, and the trees are going to be starting pretty soon. But also it's a great time to kind of come in and think about some gifts, some great gifts as well. A little puppy dog, this is pretty cute. Little watering cans make a great grab and go gift. Herb gardens, and then we have our drop-ins that are done up. Like this is probably one of my favorite pansies, a Frizzy Sizzle series, and they're all roughly, but I love this kind of almost monochromatic kind of arrangement with an iris in the middle. So they have combinations of perennials that you can plant in your garden later on. And Rhea's favorite, I see it here, the Sonettis. They don't like freezing cold nighttime temperatures, but they're great for early spring color. This year, maple trees, we have a variety of these beautiful maples. So it's not leafed out completely yet. But our bird houses, these are very popular for gifts and even Mother's Day. And yes, it's a real bird house, and last year one was living in one of them. Pussy willows are a great way to build height in the middle of containers. So with this, you can just stick this kind of in the middle of your containers at home. Here's another drop-in here. Just adds a nice vertical element. They're really cool. Rhea, let's take a walk over here. Colors by table, like purples are here. We have an all white table. I mean, so much going on, but we have samples. So wow, look at the color here. For those of you who like it cheerful, this is great. You know, the orange snapdragon in here. We've got a perennial gem, a shrub, hellebores. So all of this is going to keep on looking great to about Memorial Day or when it really heats up.